YouTube, how you doing? I'm gonna get shot twice with this BB pistol. It's
Me?
this
By me?
by him
And
my little bro.
yeah.
Let's watch my reaction. I'm really gonna regret
Whoa.
this. They get to choose where they're gonna shoot. Say bye bye to my ball. You wanna do it first?
I want to do first. Come on, I'm gonna get a blow.
Hey guys, stand right there. Or stand right there. Okay. Wait, should I stand that way so that they can shoot me in the front or the back? Which one? Alright, one of you gets to shoot me in the back, the other gets to shoot me in the front. Ow!
Your turn, go. Did that really hurt?
Ah!
Now the belly.
No!
Yes?
1 second. Look what the market made on me.
It made that.
What?
I can't see. Can I see? That's gonna be painful. It's gonna be painful to sleep at night. Are you ready?
You know what? I'm just doing. Alright, I'm just doing one shot. I'm not doing that again.
Shoot him in the butt.
Or maybe I will. Okay, this time at long range. Just stay right there. Wait.
Now?
Ow!
Sorry about
that.
Sorry about
I got me in the gut.
Yeah, there's a gun.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, awesome gun.
Fudge!